re-shelving detention in the library. You'll be helping me sort out books. Miss Danvers!
Yeah, books.
You must be methodical. Precision is key.
Yes, ma'am. Precision.
You can start with the pile over there. I'll be back to check on you.
Ah, geez. Well, this looks like a job for Supergirl. I just go ahead and start with this one. Ah, stupid books. Ra's al Ghul in the League of Shadows is doing a surprise concert? Are you coming? Oh, man! In detention, be there as soon as I can. Time for some super speed. Huh?
This one has pictures!
Wow, these books are flying off the shelves.
Sort this pile, now!
Ugh! Man, I'm missing the concert! Huh? Where do these keep coming from? There's only one way to do this. The lame way. Last book on the top shelf, and no one's watching. Here we go.
Just returning this one. Checking these out.